Hey, and welcome to my page. Thank you for clicking onto my YouTube video, and thank you for joining me again. Okay, the last time I had a video on was last week, I think, and it was about TRX mining, and that's a mining farm. So I hope you've done well with that because, as I told you, I was just beginning with that one, just starting, and I'm really making a really good progress with it. It's all free. So what we've been doing is looking through any other mining system to go and start joining it. So this one is an amazing one. This one seems much better because the Bitcoin is the one and only well-known coin right now that is worth 20,000. So Bitcoin is the top of all the cryptocurrency coins right now. And to get in, it's all for free. So all you have to do with this one here is just click onto my link below this video. Click onto my link below this video, and you must click onto my link and not join up anywhere else, because when you have someone, you refer someone to it, you'll do the same with them. So please join and come along. The sooner you get signed up to the system, the sooner that these numbers right here start working for you, start mining. See, look at these numbers. See, this is mine. So as soon as you start yours, you will be mining for crypto, Bitcoin, and it's all free, absolutely free. Just imagine if we had signed up with Bitcoin, how long ago now? Maybe 10 years ago or so. But imagine if we had just signed up and it would have been only maybe less than a cent or a cent, and now it's worth $20,000. So this system here will help you get one Bitcoin at a time. So as I said, it's 20,000, but you can slowly work yourself up towards getting one Bitcoin. And another thing also that's very interesting though, is if you want to get it faster, you need to just put a bit of cash into it. So if you want your machine to go faster, just like a car, you boost it up with a turbo. Well, this is the same system, kind of how it works. Okay, so the more and faster you want to get your Bitcoin, the more you'd like to put some money towards it. But at the moment, you can start up for free and just take your time with it. It's up to you. But the starting point is very important. So do sign up. Do click onto the bottom link here, the referral. See the referrals here. And so if you go onto my video and go right down to the bottom, scroll down, and you'll see the referrals. As you can see, I'm just starting also, so I haven't really, but this video hopefully will get a few clicks onto my mining site. So please come along and take this journey with me. It's amazing. It's awesome. It's exciting. So every time you check on and look at the numbers changing, wow, you're getting closer and closer to getting one Bitcoin. So there you go. Guys, thank you again for coming onto my page. It's wonderful to have you here. And I'm excited about this mining for one Bitcoin at a time. So please join and start and activate your own mining machine for Bitcoin, for one Bitcoin. Okay, thank you again, guys. We'll look forward to seeing you on my next video. And just if there's any questions, do put some comments down below any of my YouTube videos, and then I will try to get back to you with some answers. Otherwise, there are people that you can actually chat to with these programs. Thank you again, guys. We'll catch you later on my next video. Bye for now.